Computer integrated manufacturing class is a class that's kind of designed to put together the computer side of what I teach at NC and the technology that we have up here at Pathways.
We're making signs and selling signs in the NC school store.
We call it the YO American sign, and he's cutting it on the CNC plasma. We're putting it on a back piece and then trying to do a little fundraising with it.
I love designing stuff. It's one of my favorite things. I want to be an engineer, so this is a very important class to take.
We need to keep kids here that have these types of skills. So this program at Pathways and this whole building is super important to Wyoming because we need these kids and we need these students out there in our workforce.